All right, so we turned down the replacement part for the Atlas power feed, and we're in good shape. We're getting 376 on a hot part, so it should shrink when it cools down. Ooh, well, I can feel the heat coming off that guy. So we're good there. We are good there. So she cools down. You're a little bit over. Well, no, we're right on there. Okay. So we're 376. 376. So when she cools down, she's going to shrink. That's good. We still need a little bit of play in there to polish it with sandpaper. I don't know. As far as I'm concerned, I think that's a good surface finish. It's not all torn out. Oh, where'd you go? Oh, okay, there we go. So there's still oil on there, so it's kind of spotty. Let's see if we can wipe that off a little bit. Feels good. Looks good. Come on, you. She didn't want to focus. I use high-speed tooling for the finishing passes because the nose on my high-speed is smaller than the nose on my carbide. I can take this out now because I don't need it now, but really small nose on there. Phone, you are just being a pain. I guess this is why people like GoPros. So, yes, having trouble focusing. So anyway, that's the start of the replacement part. I gotta get the detents in here. That's the worst part. You screw that up, the whole part's trash. So I gotta really get that nailed in there. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that yet. I might approximate it on the mill. I don't know. I gotta figure this out. This is part number 3 or part number 4. I don't know how many I've gone through yet. But this is getting that 376. That's hard for me. I know you guys are experts, but sneaking up on that within a thou, that's not easy. It looks easy. It's not easy. I could use my compound, but every time I've done that, yeah, and it's set to 30 degrees, but I advance it too much, and then the backlash is there, and it's supposed to be taken out, but you fiddle with you advance this, you advance the whatever the crossfeed, you advance the crossfeed to take your cut, and then when you're done with your cut, you back out the crossfeed, and then you back it back in with the stop set back here, which I do have. I can do that. And then you advance your cross slide a tick, and yeah, it was just easier for me to sneak up on it here, just being very gentle. So that's what I did. I nudged it just a little bit every time, and I got 2 thou advancement here by just nudging it just a little bit, and got me 2 thou in. So I snuck up on it, and I'm happy. So we got that, and it still needs some sanding. So we'll sand that to get all the little high spots out, and then we'll go from there. I know where the detents are supposed to be located, but it's just tricky getting them exactly where they're supposed to be on the shaft here. So we'll leave this go for tomorrow or another time, and so we don't make a mistake and screw up our work that we've worked so hard to get to this point. All right, that's it for now.